Hi everyone and welcome back to It's the Little Things with Becky. If you've been here before, welcome back. If you're new here, welcome. Today we are going to be talking about and opening BoxyCharm. Now I do this in two parts. One where I open it up and I show you guys and I show you the value of the box I got. And then the next video, which you guys will see, let's see, this will go up Monday. So Tuesday, it's me trying out all the makeup in this box. But anyway, if you guys don't know what BoxyCharm is, this is a monthly subscription box. I have the base box, but there are other options. There's Boxy Premium and Boxy Luxe. But anyway, this is a base box, and this is $25 a month, or you can prepay so much a month, or so much for a year, Anyway, this is a beauty subscription box, comes once a month, delivered right to your door. And it has 5 full-size beauty products in there. You get to choose one item a month if you have the base box like I do myself. The value of this box, I wrote it down just to make sure I got it right because I always forget this, should be over $120 value or right at $120 value. Now, I like to go through everything and show you guys. And then at the end, we're going to calculate it up and see if I got my value. And if anybody is also interested, I have a referral code and link in the description box below in case you are interested in joining BoxyCharm. Also, this video was not sponsored. BoxyCharm has no idea that I'm doing this, but it'd be cool if they did. But anyway, not sponsored. This is just my opinions. But the referral code and link, the code is to use at the end of when you're signing up on BoxyCharm. And that helps me earn charms that I can use on the BoxyCharm website to buy beauty products, and then also helps you sign up for BoxyCharm. That is there if anybody's interested. Now let's open up this box. I also have a confession, guys. I already opened it because I've been seeing little snippets and sneak peeks on Facebook and Instagram. I follow them both on there, and I got excited about some of the stuff that you could possibly get because, I noticed that, and it's really cool how they do this. Each person from BoxyCharm gets different variations of things. So I could get this box and somebody could have 3 or 4 items that are completely different from mine, which I think is so cool. But anyway, I've been seeing some sneak peeks of what you could possibly get, and they look good. And I got everything that I wanted, which is better yet. So it comes with this little card every month, and I believe this is Glamping. So that's their little theme of the month. This also shows you what the price of everything is here, but like I said, I like to be surprised as you guys. So the one item I got to pick this month, they give you a choice of I think it's 3 different things you can pick from. I picked the Too Faced Born This Way Super Coverage Multi-Use Sculpting Concealer. I've been so excited. I've never tried this before, but I've heard so many things about it. But I had to get mine in the shade Cloud, and I'll open it up and show you guys. They didn't have my exact shade, which is Porcelain, because they were already out of that, but that's alright. We went with Cloud, and I already tested this out on my hand, so it should work out just fine. This is what this looks like. I'll open it up and show you guys here. Ooh, it's a tight fit. Anyway, it is a little bit darker in the bottle, so that doesn't look completely like ghost white on me. And it is a decent match, and I can blend it out and make it work. But anyway, there's that. I've heard really good things about that. And the price on that is $29. Let me put this back in the box. Alright, so there was one. Now the next thing I can show you guys here is the Violet Voss Essentials 2 Pro Series Eyeshadow Pressed Pigment Palette. So there's that. Now I actually got one of these in my first BoxyCharm, but it was the Essentials by Violet Voss, and this is Essentials 2. So this is the second version of that, which is cool. I haven't had any repeats yet on anything. But we will open it up and show you guys. So this is what that looks like. Look at all those colors. It comes with a mirror, of course, which is nice, but look. Is that plastic piece right here? Look at all those fun colors. I swatched a couple of them on my arm a little while ago. I'm not sure how well you guys can see that, but I can do it again for you. Let's do this blue sky because that is just gorgeous. By the way, guys, these shades feel amazing on the skin. I was really impressed with my first box, and so I know I'm going to like this one a lot. Alright, so these are bad swatches, but here's some of those. Obviously, they are more pigmented on your eyes than in person once you have eye primer on. But anyway, that's what they look like. And that palette is $36. And you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 eyeshadows. So, like I said, $36. Alright guys, our next product here is Thank Me Later Eyeshadow Primer by Elizabeth Mott. M-O-T-T, I hope I'm saying that name right. This is $20. That's what the box looks like. Very cute. Let's open it up and look. This is the first time I'll be looking at this one too. So you know you should always use eye primer on your eyes right before you put on eyeshadow because it helps your eyeshadow last longer and look better, and it performs better when you're putting it on the eyes. Okay, so that's what it looks like. Cute. Cute, cute. And like I said, that is $20. Alright, next we have the Tree Streak. I'm not sure if I'm saying that exactly right. A Matte for Every Move Mini Matte Lip Crayon Set. Okay. So that's what that looks like. And then it's got, it looks like all the colors here. It's, can't read that one. Nantucket Nude. Florence Fig. Ooh, these are some big words. Barcelona. Bright Berry, Chili Red, Bullies, Board Ducks. I'm not sure if I'm saying these names right, guys. I'm sorry, I may be butchering them. Tucson Wine. But anyway, that's what those look like there. But I'll open them up and I'll swatch one for you guys. I don't want to swatch them all, but okay. So this is what they look like on the inside. Let's go with this one. Oh, it feels like a crayon. Okay, and this must be... I'm not sure what this one is. Oh, this is Nantucket Nude. Alright, let's just do a little swatch on the arm here real quick. Okay, that is like almost like nude to the point where you don't have anything on. It is not showing up. Okay. Let me try a different one for you guys. Try a little bit brighter one. Let's try Chili Red. Am I like missing something? I don't know. Like these aren't wanting to swatch for me real well. Wonder if I just put it on my lips. Let me try something real quick. Alright guys, these are not wanting to swatch for me real well, so I need to play around with them and figure out that. But you will be seeing them tomorrow when I do the video of me testing out the makeup products. But this is $58. Oh my goodness. Okay. Wow. $58. Woo. Alright. And then last but not least, our final product, and this is one I'm really excited about because I've been seeing these and they just look amazing. These are their Morphe I Got This brush set, and this is $12, and you get 1, 2, 3, 4 brushes. So that looks like, let's take it out. And now these brushes are for your eyes, as it says. Alright, let's just pull one out and see how it feels here. So here's this one. Ooh, this feels really nice. I'm excited to use these, and I will definitely be using these tomorrow. Alright, like I said, one more time, I'm repeating myself, but that is $12. Alright guys, it's time to total everything up. Why do I do this? I have no idea. I just see like other like YouTube or beauty influencers whenever they get their BoxyCharms do this. And I think it's interesting to do just to see if we get the full value of everything that it claims it gets. So it's supposed to be $120 value. Yes, $120 value. So let's go ahead and get out the calculator and we'll start adding things up. Alright, so the first thing we have here is the Too Faced Born This Way concealer, and that is $29. And then the Violet Voss eyeshadow palette is $36. The mini matte lip crayon set is $58. The Morphe brush set is $12. And the Elizabeth Moss Thank Me Later eye primer is $20. $155 value in this box. I say we are well over that 120 limit. That is awesome. So, guys, let me know if you guys have BoxyCharm and did you get this month's box yet? Let me know down in the comments. I'd love to hear what you guys got. If you want to, go over and send me little selfies on YouTube. I don't know if you could do that in the comments, but if nothing else, go over to my Facebook page at It's the Little Things with Becky and take a picture of yourself. I don't know if you can or not, but if you can in the comments, let me know. And yeah, show me using your box. I'd love to see what you guys got. That's it for today. I'm going to quit rambling. Before I forget, if you guys haven't already, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to my page. It really, really helps me out a lot. And I do appreciate you guys watching my videos. And I appreciate you. And I hope you guys are all well and safe. Also, the referral code and link is in the description box in case anybody's interested. No pressure. But anyways, I'm going to go and I will see you guys tomorrow when I test out all this new makeup. So I will see you guys soon. Bye.